Once your education loan is approved, the next and the final step is the disbursement process. Today, we'll talk about the Avanse Education Loan disbursement process. Hello everyone, I'm Jainesh, one of the founders here at GyanDhan. You might be wondering why we're focusing specifically on Avance. I'll explain. It's an NBFC with an almost entirely online process, which often leaves applicants questioning how disbursement will take place. To answer this question and discuss different aspects of its disbursement process, we have created this video. Let's get started. Now, before we dive into the main disbursement process, let's first clarify a few things to avoid any confusion. The typical process of obtaining an education loan approval from Avance after submitting all the loan documents usually takes 5 to 7 days via GyanDhan. It's important to understand that education loan approval, education loan sanction, and education loan disbursement are three different stages. Loan approval is the initial evaluation where the lender checks your eligibility based on your loan application and documents. Loan sanction follows approval. It's the formal confirmation of the loan details like the amount, interest rate, and repayment terms specified in a sanction letter. Loan disbursement is the final stage where the sanctioned funds are released, usually directly to the education institution or in installments. This stage often requires submission and verification of additional documents such as admission letter, tuition fee schedules, etc. And we'll discuss all this later in this video. Now, between loan sanction and disbursement, you'll receive a loan agreement that you must sign. This agreement specifies all the loan terms such as the loan amount, interest rate, payback tenure, type of moratorium, and other conditions. Once it is signed, it signifies your agreement and the loan amount becomes available for disbursement. Now, when I say that amount is available for disbursement, that means it is still not in your account or in the desired place that you want it to be. And this is where the education loan disbursement process comes in. Let's take a closer look at how the Avanse Education Loan disbursement process works, which is actually quite straightforward. After you receive a sanction letter from Avance and have signed the loan agreement, the loan amount is ready to be disbursed in rupees. Disbursement can be carried out via demand draft, check, or more commonly through electronic transfer. The simplest and the most preferred method is electronic transfer directly to a co-applicant's account and to the university. All you need to do is to fill out a basic disbursement form and submit it along with a few documents such as the fee structure, the proof of admission, KYC documents for both the applicant and co-applicant including PAN, Aadhaar, passport, and signature verification from the bank. The loan application form must be submitted with a signed photograph. For pre-visa disbursement, an undertaking must be provided. Additionally, the co-applicant should submit 9 to 12 post-dated checks as security and complete the e-NACH form, which is included in the loan agreement booklet. Lastly, up to 4 checks from the repayment account are required for the EMI repayments. Now, there are several different components of an education loan disbursement: tuition fee disbursement, living expenses disbursement, and other miscellaneous items. Specifically, tuition fees are disbursed directly to the university, either semester-wise or annually as per the university norms. Additionally, if you're living on campus, your accommodation costs are also transferred directly to the university. If you're living off campus, the portion of the loan allocated for off-campus accommodation will be transferred to the co-applicant's account. Moreover, funds allocated for other expenses such as equipment, books, and other study materials are transferred to the co-applicant's account throughout the duration of your studies. Additionally, as outlined in the loan agreement, you have the option to request that the loan amount be loaded onto a third-party forex card. One important thing to understand is that the interest rate charged on education loan applies only to the disbursed amount, not to the sanction amount. Therefore, it is always advisable to request disbursement for only the amount that you need. Avoid taking extra funds and letting the money sit unused. Now, once the loan is disbursed, your attention must shift towards repayment. Repayment starts as per the schedule set out in your loan agreement, which can typically be managed through post-dated checks or electronic clearing services. To help in managing your finances, you can use GyanDhan's Education Loan EMI Calculator. It's quick, easy, and provides a clear picture of your monthly repayment obligations. Taking out an education loan is a significant decision that can impact your life. So it's crucial to connect with an expert when making choices. At GyanDhan, we are here to be your trusted partner throughout your journey to study abroad. We assist students by comparing various loan options to find the best fit for their financial needs and education goals. To date, we have aided more than 25,000 students and disbursed loans totaling 8,000 crores. Our team is dedicated to guiding you through the loan comparison process, handling the application details, and securing the most advantageous terms for your situation. Wondering where to begin? It's simpler than you might think. Just click the link in the description to check your loan eligibility with a few quick questions and let our team handle the rest. And just a reminder that all of this assistance from GyanDhan is completely free at no cost to you. That concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, please like it and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or need further information about education loans, leave a comment below and we'll respond promptly. Until next time, continue to make smart choices for your educational future.